Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making this vegetable salad. It's high protein salad. So we can start. So very healthy. It's weightless salad. So I using for two color of bell pepper, green and red. I cut for diamond size. So this salad we have a benefit, weight loss and belly loss. So I carrot also using diamond cut. So many people this problem is there, very healthy salad how will make. So today I'll put video. Tomato also I use, but don't use tomato seed. And cucumber, any cucumber you use, and cut for diamond size. And together mix. After use any lettuce, I use for green lettuce, put on balls. And paneer also use. Is use nice paneer, cut for cubes, small cubes, and mix for hot water. Capsicum, broccoli, carrot also plants, and rajma and chana also plants, and add together. This paneer also add, and your ingredients also you add salt, crushed black pepper, and oil also use. Oil you use for olive oils. Olive oils is lots of benefit of your body, so olive oil only use. And lemon juice also add. Lemon juice also benefit of weight loss. 100% body going to less, but compulsory your lunch and dinner 2 times you had. After 1 month definitely 10 kg you reduce the weight. It's my guarantee, because I'm also this use and realize. Thank you.